Thanks to Boya for sponsoring this video. Filmmaking, presenting, and content creation doesn't have to be difficult or expensive to get into. And thanks to things like modern phones and devices that we use every day and this little microphone, it's not. Meet the Boya Mini, which they claim is the world's tiniest wireless microphone, coming in at just 5 grams in weight. And I'll be the first to tell you, as someone who's worn a lot of different wireless mics and transmitters, this is easily the most comfortable that I've ever put on. Of course, we'll get to how it feels and sounds in a minute, but I do want to quickly highlight the design and package, which is also convenient and pretty discreet. Within the box, you get the Boya Mini set, which comes with 1 or 2 wireless mics that transmit to a receiver that plugs into your device. You also get a charging cable. The set I have is USB-C, which works with just about any USB-C compatible device, including DJI's newer action cameras and the popular Osmo Pocket 3. You also have the option for a lightning connector compatible with older iPhones and iPads, and a camera compatible set as well. Each transmitter runs up to 6 hours on a single charge, and with the case, you can get up to 30 hours before you need to plug it all back in. And I don't know about you, but my 6-hour recording sessions are pretty few and far between. So whether it's for long-form YouTube videos, presentations, shorts, reels, TikTok, and even more, you should be covered. As for the case itself, well, if you're familiar with AirPods Pro or Sony's XM5 earbuds, this case is just about the same weight. I weighed them at 46 grams. Both the buds I mentioned come in at about 50 grams. The transmitters and receiver are easy to pull out and use and snap magnetically back into place when it's time to stow them away and charge, just as you'd expect. Best of all, they're super easy to use. Literally plug and play. No app, no setup, no clunky UI. Just plug the receiver into your device, which for me is the iPhone 15 Pro, place your mic on your shirt, jacket, or elsewhere, and you're good to go. I could immediately tell the difference between using my iPhone's onboard mic, which is pretty good, and the Boya Mini, which sounds even clearer and more refined, and certainly more suitable for situations where clean audio is preferred. Here's the audio with the iPhone 15 Pro, which usually does sound really good, but I think the Boya Mini should sound even better. Here's the Boya Mini, which I think gives a more full-bodied representation of my voice, better than the usually more airy sound that you get from a phone's onboard microphone. The mic also remains pretty subtle while wearing it, especially if you have a dark shirt on or anything like that. You're not really going to see it unless you're looking pretty hard for it. The clip is firm. It sticks to my shirt well. I think it would do pretty well on a jacket or another piece of outerwear as well. One reason it sounds so good is Boya's advanced limiter technology, which prevents distortion and clipping up to 120 decibels. But should you have any unwanted noise around you, there are also 3 levels of noise reduction that isolate your voice and help keep you sounding clear. And if all that's not enough, there's also an option to alter your voice to a deeper or higher pitch should your content need any dramatic effect.
I am in Caleb Dennison's lair, and you're not getting any more TV reviews until I get $1 billion.
Still, what I keep coming back to is the convenience and size. These things are tiny and truly pocketable and sound great. And best of all, they're affordable. Just $25 for a single transmitter and USB-C receiver, and $45 for this set with 2 transmitters. So if price, size, or ease of use stand in the way of you creating your own content, or if you're looking to downsize your setup to something more suitable for creating on the go, the Boya Mini is a great option. And we have links to purchase in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments, does the Boya Mini cover your needs? How do you plan on using them? Drop this video a like on your way out, and we'll see you in the next one.